I got some bad news from PNC Bank regarding my HELOC loan. My loan, they sent a letter saying is being suspended. Uh, and I had gotten that loan about a little bit over 2 years ago, and it was for a little bit over 300K on my primary residence. And the reason that they gave is that they don't feel confident in my ability to pay the HELOC loan. But I haven't used any of it as well, so I have a zero balance on it. But they feel very shaky on my ability to pay. So here's the reason that they gave. The suspension of the credit privilege is based on failure to pay or perform obligation owed to others as evidenced by one of more following in credit report. So this is the reason that they gave. As you can see, they have non-payment of debt, late payment, delinquency, default, foreclosure, repossession, collection, or charge-off. Most of that does not apply to me. I'm not in default. I don't have foreclosures. My property hasn't been repossessed. And on my primary residence, I have no loans except for the HELOC from PNC. So that was a big shock to me that they would send this letter saying. And another thing they said that is that effective 3 business days from the date of this letter. So they sent the letter on the 28th, and it arrived in my mailbox yesterday, which is December 10th. So that was 13 days. 13 days for them from sending the letter to arriving in my mailbox. It took 13 days. So usually it takes about 1 or 2 days. And this letter came from Dayton, Ohio. So it's not like it came from across the country, from like California to the East Coast. Anyway, this seems a little suspicious to me that they said that I have 3 days in case I want to take some money out of my account, out of the HELOC account, which I have never done, but the 3 days has already passed. And the one of the other reasons they gave was they checked my credit score from Experian, and they said that my credit score was 652. And just to put some little color to this, I've been applying for credit cards to get those promotions. So I've applied maybe 4 or 5 different credit cards to get promotions. Like if you spend $5,000, you get 500. If you spend 1,500, you get 200 in promotions. So due to that, from Experian, my credit score has gone down. It used to be around 750. And also, I checked my other credit agency scores. It did go down from about 750s, other ones, but it stayed around 694, 690, around that. But Experian was the one that dropped the most. And it just happens that PNC uses Experian credit score other than the other 2 agencies. So I got this letter. My HELOC loan is suspended effectively. And this was a big surprise to me. I have never seen or heard anyone's HELOC loan getting suspended. So I was surprised that I would get the first-hand knowledge of happening to someone, and which is actually myself. So I hope you find this helpful. And if you know anyone that also got this type of letter from PNC Bank or other bank, please comment on it. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and please like the video, and please spread the word so that other people will be aware of. And maybe they can protect themselves by talking to their bankers before this happens to them, so they can prevent this from happening. Um, and they don't end up like my situation. So thanks again. Hope is helpful, and please spread the word that the HELOC credit can be suspended, and it has been suspended for at least one person that I know of. Thank you. Bye bye.